Hope everyone's having a great summer. I sure am. And yes, I went blonde and I'm loving it. It's great. It's been great and it's fun. So yeah, I haven't made many videos. As you all know, my son is super active and I just need to be with him all the time. But I found out about this product, DEPOLOGY, the micro dart eye patches, and I had to make a video for this product. So in this video, I am actually wearing them, and I want to let you know, right now it's 10 a.m. So I've had them on since last night around, I want to say 11 p.m. So it's been 11 hours, and for best results, it's to be worn overnight. And I thought I would take them off together with you and show you pictures of the after. I've taken pictures of the before from yesterday. So with these patches, you would want to wear them for a minimum of 2 hours, but overnight for best results. And also pairing it up with their serum called Matrixyl 3000, which I also have underneath. So let's take them off and let's see what happens. So when you take them off, you want to just hold your skin. See how I placed it here? It's very close to my eye. So for you, you might want to place it a little bit lower depending on how your eye is. And when you sleep, it's actually pretty cool. They don't move, they don't budge, and it's soft. These actually soften up as you wear them. Okay, see how it peels off really gently? And it just, oh wow. Okay, so see how this is all gooey looking? And that's where all the micro darts were. So I'll show you a new package of what it looks like. It looks totally like it really actually dissolved into the skin, which is super cool. I've never used eye patches like these before. And so I was really excited to try them and see the results for myself. So I'm gonna pull it lightly. Yeah, overnight as I slept, I felt them dissolving and I felt my skin getting smoother and tighter, because this actually, the #1 ingredient in this product is hyaluronic acid. And we all love hyaluronic acid. Oh my goodness. And it actually has multiple peptides in here too. So there's lots of firming, active, firming, and lifting ingredients. All right, I gotta show you the before. This is super cool. Okay, so now that I have these off, I'm just gonna touch it to see if there's any leftovers. I'm going to use the Matrixyl serum again. Underneath that, I'm just gonna drop some onto, actually, you know what, this finger's better. Always use your ring finger when you're doing stuff around the eye area, because it's your weakest finger, and that way it won't tug and pull on your skin. And then I'm just gonna use some eye cream and tap around it. And then I'm gonna actually stop rolling the camera and just take the after photos, and I'm gonna show you and we'll get back to rolling again. So this is the pic I did with no smiling, and the top upper pic is the before I used the micro dart patches with the serum, and the lower pic is the after picture. And you can clearly see that I'm more red on the top picture. My dark circles under eyes are more prominent, and so are the lines. And the second lower picture is actually brighter, clearer, and smoother. And this is with absolutely no makeup. I've picked exactly the same spot to take the pictures in, and with the same exact lights on. So then, yeah, that's what that looks like. And these are my smiling big smile pictures. And the upper picture on top is the before, and the bottom one is below. And again, just like my no smile pictures, you can see the redness has been reduced and the lines, and same with the dark circles and the puffiness. And my skin just looks overall brighter and clearer and plumper and fuller and more youthful. So yes, I am over 40. Ugh. And it's been a struggle finding products that work well. And I think this one does the job. Um, what else was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so I use the serum all over my face, and you can see an overall reduction of the redness as well. And I think that's actually the serum working. I get red really easily. I just have a lot of, I guess, blood flow to my face, which some people say it's good because I look like I have blush on all the time, even when I'm not wearing makeup. And sometimes, the redness is just like, oh, maybe it gets too red. But yeah, so clearly this serum worked. Earlier I mentioned how I'm going to show you how the darts look like up close. This is the packaging, and it comes with 8 patches, 4 pairs each, which means 4 treatments each. It does look like that with the little darts, and instructions are on the back, so can't go wrong. This is the packaging. I've already opened it because I actually filmed this earlier, earlier, but then I realized I filmed it, the camera was on wrong, so it came out sideways, so I have to redo this one. And they come out like this, and in this clear packaging. This is great. These are great for traveling, for overnight trips, anything, for camping, and very sanitary and hygienic. So they look like these. So there's this side, which is the smooth side. Okay, you're not really supposed to touch all these like how I'm touching it, but I just want to show you. And this is the darts side. So if you run your finger over it, you can feel the little darts. I'm trying to get closer to the camera so you can actually see it. I'm going to just tap to see if it'll focus. And I'm sure these look really cool under a microscope. And so these don't feel hard, but they don't feel soft, but because they're so mini and micro, it's not going to hurt for sure. It is so cool how it just melts into your skin and dissolves into your skin. Yeah, and then you saw in the earlier video, it turns out like a serum itself. So that's this. And then this is the serum, the Matrixyl 3000. So yeah, I want to show you too. All these products are, get the camera on, not tested on animals, paraben free. So they're friendly. And for the serum, their star ingredient is the Matrixyl 3000, which is a super anti-aging ingredient. And aloe is always wonderful to help calm down any redness and irritation in the skin, protect the skin cells. And look at all these wonderful other ingredients in here. Of course, there's hyaluronic acid, so you're totally doubling up. And these will all work synergistically together. And yeah, lots of other great ingredients in here. And I want to show you a demonstration of the serum on my hands. So the serum works really great on the whole face, eyes, décolleté, neck area. Tap to see. So this is no creams or anything. Okay. And the wrinkles you can see. I'm going to put a little drop on this hand. You can see the wrinkles wrinkling up. And with this product, you actually need a very little amount. You don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. It is super concentrated. You can see immediately my skin got clearer, brighter. And it looks a little bit less crepey, right? Look how this is more crepey. And this is, it won't crepe up as easily. You can see the cells are plumper and rounder already. And that's what it is. It's the crepiness comes from when cells are depleted of nutrients and vitamins and moisture. And when a cell is healthy, it's like a balloon. It's healthy and it's plump and it's strong. And when it's not, it's deflated and lacks energy and vitality. I'm gonna grab my cream and I'm just going to put a little pump on, and that way it'll seal in the serum and all its benefits. And always wear cream on top of your serums, of course. That way you maximize the benefits of both and you don't waste the results. that you can get. And see, it's immediately brighter. I'm going to move it far and close so you can see it is brighter. It's not the lighting. Overall, you can see my left hand is brighter. And now with the cream on top, my results will last. And that's what cream does. Oh, okay. So there's that. Pretty exciting, huh? How to use the Matrixyl 3000 serum when not using the eye patches. Here we go. So I've already washed my face. I'm going to spritz it with toner. And then you add a little bit of the Matrixyl serum. I would say a couple of drops if it's just your face. If you're doing your neck and décolleté, I would add a couple more drops. A little goes a long way with this serum. And then just tap everywhere. Gently tap around the eyes too. It makes such a big difference when worn under your eye cream and your face cream. So now eye cream and face cream. And when you're doing your neck, you would have done the neck too, and always upward motions. And same with the face, always upward and outwards. And that's it. So that would be morning and night, evening routine. And that's the days when you're not wearing the patches. And on the days when you're wearing the microdot patches, then you would put this on before your moisturizer. And then you can tap your moisturizer around. Have fun with it. I feel so refreshed after the treatments last night. I'm so excited about the results, and I have a wedding to go to later tonight. So I get to try all this underneath while I put on my makeup on top. I'm sure it's gonna get on so smooth and my makeup's gonna look great. So yeah, with these products, the serum, the eye patches, if you want to try them, I was able to get a 10% discount code for everybody if you shop below with the link. I'm really excited that I was able to offer that for you. And I think they actually have a lot of other products online too. But I also see that I just did a quick skim this morning. I think some are sold out, but keep checking back. And yeah, I think they keep adding more to their line, which is wonderful. I'm really excited to try the rest of their products as well, seeing how well these ones worked already. And I think it's great for all ages, really. 20-year-olds need it for protective and preventative measures. 30-year-olds, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This is an ageless product. And for the more mature skins, definitely this will reverse the aging, I think, a little bit better and faster, as I do feel the quality in this product, and it penetrates right into the skin. It doesn't sit on the surface, because I've tried so many products, as you know, and some of them really just sit and don't do very much. The ingredients are clean, and they just get straight to the point. Great for all ages, men, women, all genders. Everybody, really, anyone can benefit from this. And yeah, again, I'm sure this is an amazing makeup primer. I can't wait to put on my makeup. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful and helpful. Please subscribe below and give me a thumbs up if you can. And if you like this video, if you have any comments, please share below as well. I would love to hear them and see how you do and play around with these products. Maybe you know tips and tricks that maybe I'm not familiar with yet. I'm actually really excited to try these elsewhere on my face too. I bet you it works. Like if I want to put some here or here, I have a feeling they work everywhere. So I'm gonna definitely try that next. And yeah, use the link below for your 10% off. Yay, I'm so excited. All right, so yeah, enjoy the rest of your summer, and hopefully I'll have another video to record soon.